Un avion de Malaysia Airlines et ses 239 passagers ont disparu hier soir au-dessus de la mer de Chine. Il avait décollé de Kuala-Lumpur pour rejoindre Pékin, un voyage de 4300 km. Le Boeing 777 a cessé à 2h40 locale d'émettre, soit 19h40 en France. À bord du vol MH370, 14 nationalités, 153 Chinois, 38 Malaisiens, mais aussi 3 Français. Les recherches sont en cours pour retrouver l'appareil.
We have activated the military, our Air Force and our Navy. I had discussions with them earlier this morning, has been activated. Our National Security Council with our Coast Guard is also on it. And thirdly, we're working very closely with our neighbors, especially with China, Vietnam, Philippines, Indonesia, where we have requested assistance. First, on information of whereabouts the planes may be, and secondly, if there is a need for search and rescue, which we cannot cope. I've been told that cooperation from the civil side and also from the military side is very forthcoming. So we are doing everything that we can to ensure that every possible angle in this situation is addressed. MAS telah pun membuat press conference. Dah ready dah.